Good evening. How y'all doing tonight? I'm on another late night. I'm sure many of y'all, we all work 9 to 5. I took a training class today myself. I'm trying to educate myself. Hopefully we all trying to learn something every day. Read a little something, learn a little something every day. That's the goal, right? So, hey, how y'all doing? So, important topic for today. The different types of traders. Before you begin investing, you need to know what kind of trader do you want to be. So I'm going to give it a minute, right? Before you start investing, what kind of trader do you want to be? That's a very important topic. Before you start trading, what kind of investor do you want to be? That's going to be the topic for tonight. It's going to be the topic for tonight because I have a lot of people, they want to trade and they want to get in, they want to get out, they want to get rich overnight. But before you start investing, what kind of trader do you want to be? And tonight I'm going to discuss 3 types of traders that I think pretty much cover it all. I think they're the essential traders in the market, the ones who, I think it pretty much puts everything in. Of course, there are more types than the 3 that I'm going to discuss, but those are more detailed. And I think the 3 that I'm going to discuss pretty much cover everything in some form or fashion. So, before you start trading, what kind of trader do you want to be? Topic for tonight. So, to start, 3 types of traders. We have the day trader, number 1. We have the swing trader, number 2. And we have the long-term investor. Day trader, swing trader, long-term investor. A day trader is someone who usually jumps into a trade for the day looking for profits. They trade multiple trades within a day. In order to become a day trader, legally, you have to have at least $25,000 in your account in order not to be flagged federally as a day trader. $25,000 in your account, a day trader is someone who quick profits in and out within a day. Usually within minutes or hours, they make their money is a day trader. You have the swing trader. Swing trader, you don't need the $25,000. A swing trader is someone, I may buy a stock today, I may buy a crypto today, and I plan to get out on it tomorrow. I'm very short term. I'm shorting these stocks, very short term on the stocks that I buy. That is a swing trader. So I may buy Apple today at 130, which last Friday was 136, and today it was 174. I bought 100 shares. I made my $400, $500, $600, or how many shares I bought. By today, I'm out of it. Within a week, I'm out of it. Swing trader. Within the week, I am out of my trades. I may buy trades when they drop on Friday, sell them on Monday. That's a swing trader. And you have your long-term investors. I am all of the above. So remember I told you to figure out which one do you want to be. You have to know this before you start. I know we jumped in. We immediately started talking about the stock market. We immediately started talking about investing. We talked about how to get started. But before you get started, you need to decide, are you going to be that day trader, that swing trader, or that long-term investor, or all of the above like myself? That long-term investor is in the words. That's somebody who is planning to buy these stocks for the long haul. The research I do daily with you guys is research for stocks that I actually believe in, that I believe will be profitable companies in the future. I'm not going to say I'm not. Sometimes I buy companies that based on the hype. You know what they say, buy the news, sell the hype, I think is what they say. So Neo Day is coming up. Neo is a Chinese company, and they have Neo Day coming up December 18th. Last year, based on their Neo Day, they ran up 2 times. People made 100% of their money. They got out, and Neo dropped back down. Neo Day. So that is one of those buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what it is. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I'll probably do that this year. I like Neo though. Neo is also a good company for a long term. I've been holding Neo probably for about 8 to 9 months now. I got it at about $42 earlier this year, and I'm holding on strong. I have not sold out on it. I got about 150 shares. Long-term investor. Long-term investors, I told you, the opposite of a day trader, opposite of a swing trader. I'm planning on holding my shares for 1 year to 5 years, sometimes 5 years to 10 years. And I plan on building out that portfolio. So, like I said, I have Neo. I have 150 shares of Neo, and my average is $42. What's 100 times 42? $4,000. I got over $4,000 in Neo. So I'm a long-term investor. I actually believe in the company. But if Neo Day on December 18th comes around and these jokers shoot up to $60, I'm out of there. That's just smart, right? Smart business. I'm going to take my profit and I'm going to run. I'm going to hold some, but I'm also going to take profit and I'm going to get out of some of it. So the importance of the day, before we start investing, know what kind of investor you want to be. You can be a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor. Long-term investing, you should not be checking your account daily. It ain't going to do nothing but stress you out. Be honest with you. Stocks go up and down. They can go down 5%, 10%, 20% one day, but they can go back up 50% the next day, or within a week, or within a month, or within 2 months, 3 months. They can stress you out. Long-term investors should not be in their accounts every day. They should be finding stocks that they like and that they believe in. They get in, they buy their establish their position, or dollar cost averaging in, averaging down, averaging up when necessary. Once they establish their position, however many shares or how much money they believe they should put into this company, and they sit it. A swing trader, you see the market drop. You see the market drop. See Malik, I am music. You a swing or day trader. You got the energy for that. You know what I'm saying? You get in there, you get out. You buy what you want. All right, this joker up $10 a day. I made 50. I'm out of there. All right, that's fine. That's swing trader. Again, that's swing trading is buying a stock today with the intentions on selling it within the week or within the next week, not in the same day. Day trading, I buy options. My options, I swing and day trade them. Today, y'all know I showed you all yesterday. I bought a day option in SPY. I made my 22%, which was $42, and I got out. That's a day trade. I made that money within an hour. So we got our 3 traders. Before you begin investing, before you begin trading, establish what kind of investor you want to be. If you're going to come in here and think you're going to make $1 million, you need to know that, right? Because the long-term investors, they sit their money in. They're not watching it every day, and they're not stressing over it, because if you do that, you're going to lose money one day, and the next day it's going to blow up, it's going to go to the moon, and you're going to be out of profit. You're going to lose profit. So that you need, figure out what you want to do. If you're going to be a day trader, make sure you have that $25,000 in the bank, or make sure you're building up to that $25,000, and make sure you're prepared for all the risk that comes with that. Being a day trader or a swing trader is very risky, because oftentimes you're investing in companies that you don't believe in, you have not done the research, and you're usually buying the rumor and selling the news. Hey, swing trading long term, go with it. How much money do these non-stressing long-term investors usually have in the bank? Those are the people like myself who we took our time and we built up our portfolio. Remember, I told y'all, you don't have to start with a large amount. You can put in $100 every 2 weeks. You put in $200 every 2 weeks. You put in your extra cash and begin to build out your investment. You don't have to immediately start investing. So, the long investors, those are the people who buy a share of Apple every time they get paid. Or those are the people who buy a share of the Vanguard ETF every time they get paid. That's $100. That's $200. They buy it every time. And over time, okay, now I've established $1,000 in my account. I mean, if you put in $100 every 2 weeks, what's that? That's about 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 months almost. You have $1,000 invested in the company. So you got to think about those things if you actually do right. Okay, I'm actually interested in long-term dividend investing. It's a lot of good high growth dividends. I think I told y'all about this the other day. If you go look up Google dividend aristocrats or dividend kings, those are the companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts year by year, year on year, and they have the highest dividend payouts. I'm pretty sure I showed y'all the other day. Let me go check this out. I showed y'all MO is the ticker symbol. The name of the company is Altria. The shares are about $43, $44 a share right now. But the dividend payout every quarter is $1 a share almost $1 a share, 80 to 90 cents a share. So imagine having 100 shares, so that's $4,000. It's currently $44, $43. My Robinhood is not pulling up on my computer. Hold on, give me a minute. Try and get that for you. All right, I'm getting that up for you. We're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what it's like if you buy 100 shares of Altria now. But again, this is only $100 every 4 months, 3 months, 4 months, so every quarter. But it's $100 you wasn't gonna get. I mean, you invested it, you put your money there, you let it chill, you got that $100 every 3 months. I mean, interest rates aren't that high. That's a pretty good number. My goodness. My Robinhood doesn't seem to want to work tonight. Maybe it's my Wi-Fi. So, yep, $4,000 investment would be $100 every 3 months. Yes. So imagine, and again, $4,000 right now in a savings account at 5%. Let's see what 4,000 at 5%. 4,000 times 0.05. Oh, did I do that wrong? 0.05, I think is what the percent is. 4,000 times 0.05. That ain't right. That's about $2 a month at the 0.05 interest rate, which is usually the highest I think that most banks are doing. Now some of them may have some higher than that, but those are the ones that's the online banking. And my interest rate is my internet isn't doing the best, so I can't find it, but I'm trying to get you. Yeah, 0.50% APY, annual PY. So again, that's not gonna get you $100 every 3 months, which $100 divided by 3 is about $33 a month. $33 a month every 3 months. You're getting paid to own this stock if you buy 100 shares. So $43 times 100, yeah. We got the math right, about $4,000. So, hey, you can do the math on it. You can do it that way if you want to. But I'm pretty sure there are also other stocks out here with higher dividends than that. So that's where your research comes in. Again, I found MO, which is Altria, which is a tobacco company. I found that myself, and I decided to start investing in it about a year ago. You don't have to. I recommend doing your research. Dividend aristocrats or dividend kings. And those will point you in some good ways. Matter of fact, I might teach you all how to do the math on your dividend payouts on the next class. The next video. How about that? The next video. So, anybody have any questions for tonight? If not, I'll let y'all get some rest, and I'll probably be seeing y'all in the morning. What about building portfolios? What about it? What about building your portfolio do you need to know? Can I assist? Yes. Well, I'll say I make recommendations every day, and it's up to you to do your research and do due diligence. Do your own due diligence and decide on whether you want to invest in the companies that I invest in. Now, if you come to me personally, then, hey, I can make some recommendations as I have done over the past week. We know today is day 7. We're still in day 7. I didn't miss y'all tonight. Day 7, journey to become wealthy. Journey to become wealthy. Okay, yeah. Okay. But yeah, so I can assist y'all. Some companies that I have recommended, and again, I'm not your financial advisor, that were looking good to me is SoFi, ChargePoint, Neo on the short term up to December 18th, Tesla, Apple. Those 5 companies right there that I believe in, and PayPal. So that's 6. I got you a free one in there. 6. 6 companies that I like right now that I'm invested in, and I've been showing y'all my portfolio daily. You can mimic it, but if you lose, it's on you. I'm winning. I'm doing pretty good. So, it's up to you to make that decision. Yeah. Any other questions? Portfolio building. Eventually, I may get into one-on-one things. I might write my book one day. We never know what the future may hold. So, any other questions? See if I can get my account up. That's what I'm trying to get. But it doesn't seem to be one. Oh, there you go. I got something. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm finna get my account open. It's coming. It's working now. My internet decided to come work for a minute. We finna buy us 100 shares of MO. Not in real life, but like in fake life. Oh, a good tip. If you want to day trade, if you want to swing trade, if you go sign up for tdameritrade.com, and actually just sign up, create you an account. You don't have to use your real money. TD Ameritrade has a simulator. It allows you to simulate day trading or swing trading in the market. You do not have to use your real money. You do not have to use your own money. TD Ameritrade has an application where you can simulate day trading or swing trading. Before I began investing with my own money, I used paper money on TD Ameritrade. Do you recommend using crypto.com? Are you talking about buying the crypto? Because I know there's a ticker symbol for it's called CRO, crypto.com. Or are you talking about using that as your broker? Crypto.com. Are you talking about the ticker symbol, the stock, or are you talking about the broker? All right, let me show y'all this while I wait on them to answer that question. Remember I told you can buy how many shares? We buy 100 shares. Right now the price is currently $44.52. It will cost us $4,452. But again, I can show y'all my dividend payouts. 92 cents a dividend. And I bought more shares along the way. I had 1 share and I got paid 92 cents. Okay, the broker, I have not used crypto.com, the broker. So I cannot confirm or deny whether they are a good company. So I know you buying crypto, hey, you go forward, but I cannot recommend them one way or the other. To buy my crypto, I use Coinbase and I use Robinhood, and I also use Webull. So I use those 3 platforms for all my crypto and all my stocks. Appreciate the information and sharing your knowledge. Oh, no problem. Thank you. I'm here to learn and I'm here to teach y'all. I appreciate y'all actually coming in and showing some love because y'all give me material and I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for us because we all on the journey to become wealthy. Y'all like my catchphrase? On the journey to become wealthy. Y'all like my all right. I'm gonna practice that, but So yeah. If there's no more questions, I'm gonna get out of here for the night. I appreciate y'all showing up and showing some love.